Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're the hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every day, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can view all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues that affect you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
All right, noting that it is 7 o'clock, I will call this meeting of the Public Safety and Human Services Committee meeting to order. This is January 14th, 2025. So the first item on the agenda is the consent agenda.
I'll move approval of the consent agenda.
Motion's been made and seconded. Any discussion?
Just note the consent agenda includes minutes, routine licenses, change agent for pick and save.
All right. Any, we'll call for a vote. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is the consideration for pawnbroker, secondhand jewelry dealer, and secondhand article dealer license. This is for Easy Pawn Iowa, Inc. at 319 West Beltline Highway.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? This is a renewal application.
We had this one last year also.
Yeah.
Tracy mentioned this.
They've
They've been there a long time and they became part of the city with the.
They've been there many years. All right. Any discussion on this? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is consideration of secondhand article dealer license, which is also a renewal application for Quick Save Games LLC at 6291 McKee Road, Suite C in Fitchburg.
I'll move approval.
Motion's been made to approve and seconded. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. The next meeting will be on January 28th, and with that...
Before you move on, Donald, will you be here the 28th? Do you know? There's a chance I might not. I'm teaching that week out of town, and I'm not sure if one night I know they have extended. They want me lecturing later, so. Yeah. Okay, there's a chance I might not make that one, Jay. Just so
groovy. All right, and with that,
I'll move for adjournment.
Motion has been made to adjourn. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion carries.